Next topic I want to talk about is a scheme called HomeBuilder. Now, that's a really interesting one that came out a little left field. I didn't see it coming. I don't believe it had been informed heavily. Basically, there's a government scheme with it's a COVID stimulus type package to support the construction industry, which has more than 1 million people in that industry in Australia. So it's a $25,000 grant from the government if you enter into a building contract to construct or significantly renovate your home. Pretty awesome. It does have some eligibility requirements. So key ones, it's available if you're building a new home like a house and land, or doing a major renovation, or doing a knockdown and rebuild. The maximum amount of a house and land contract is $750,000. So it's targeted at first home buyers and reasonable normal housing. The minimum renovation budget, if it's just a renovation, is $150,000. So it has to be pretty significant renovation. And your existing home, if it's a renovation, can't be worth more than $1.5 million. The other threshold is income, where a single applicant can't earn more than $125,000 or a couple can't earn more than $200,000. This is based on your financial year 19 notice of assessment or newer, if you have a newer one. It's only for projects by a registered builder. So it has to be for example, like a fixed price building contract to a registered builder. It's not for owner builder or projects or bits and pieces. The contracts have to be signed this year, so from now, or 4th of June, on to 31 December 2020. So we've had a couple of clients who unfortunately had signed before that and just missed out. But yeah, those of you considering a land construct situation, that does take quite a while, so would be really worth checking that out. I'm not sure that the legislation is yet current, and most lenders don't know what to make of it. So you'd really need to be able to fund the activity yourself, be that by cash or by lending, and then expect that the grant would come later to put money back in your pocket. There's links and the like to the Treasury sites and frequently asked questions. So anybody who does want to know some more information, feel free to check in and I can update you on some more. Thanks very much. I hope that might be of use to you. It's been certainly strong inquiry on that through late June, early July, and trust that's been helpful.